Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, I'm going to go through an example of calculating percent change. Now remember, we can calculate percent change by taking the new value and subtracting the original value. That gives us the amount of change, the amount of increase or decrease. We then divide that result by the original value. Always divide by the original value because we are finding the percent change from that original value. That's going to give us a decimal. We then multiply the decimal by 100 to convert it to a percent. Let's jump into our example where we have a car's value depreciated from $23,000 to $17,250. What was the percent change in value? Now keep in mind, depreciated means that the value went down, so the value decreased. So let's set this up. So we have percent change equals, and now we need the new value minus the original value. The new value is $17,250. That's what the car is worth right now. So $17,250 minus the original value. So what was the value of the car to start with? Well, $23,000. So minus $23,000. And then we divide by the original value, which again, that's $23,000. And then we multiply by 100. So now let's work through this, starting with the subtraction. So we have 17,250 minus 23,000. That gives us negative 5,750. Now that's the amount of change. And since it's negative, that tells us we have a decrease. The car's value went down by $5,750. Now on the other hand, if we have a positive there, that tells us we have an increase. So now we need to divide that amount of change by the original value, 23,000, and then multiply by 100. Now we need to divide. So negative 5,750 divided by 23,000. That gives us negative 0.25, negative 25 hundredths. So that's our decimal. And we need to multiply that decimal by 100 to convert it to a percent. And a quick way to multiply by 100 is to move the decimal twice to the right. So we get negative 25%. Now keep in mind, since that's a negative percent, that tells us we had a decrease. The value of the car decreased by 25%. So what was the percent change in value? Well, there was a 25% decrease. So there you have it. There's an example of how to calculate percent change. Check the description for more examples. I hope that helped. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.